is missing a label, so you open it. Character Persephone is from Yaya Papu, and that one's from Yaya Papu too. They lost a few labels on the way.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is it?
It's the puzzles.
Oh.
Puzzle?
Yeah.
What about you, Eliza?
Yeah.
Still working on it?
Yeah. Let's see what I got.
Yes, let's see what you got.
Are we taping this on?
We are taping it.
This
We are.
is Yaya Papu too.
Oh, oh.
Whoa.
Oh wow.
What is it?
Whoa.
Let's see. That is Sesame Street train set, like Legos. Looks like Legos.
Yeah, it's ice cream truck.
Ice cream truck.
Oh, look at this. Little tambourine and maraca. Oh, we have to cut it out.
Wow.
Oh, Persephone loves musical instruments.
Wow. What now?
Oh. Hello.
See the stuff you can build on the back of it? Pretty cool. And an Elmo head. Here, pass this over to me.
Here, give these to Mommy.
Here, I unleashed one.
There you go, Persephone. Yeah, there you go. Alright.
Here, this one's to Persephone from Vasily and Lori. And this one's to Eliza from Uncle Vasily and Aunt Lori.
Okay.
There, this is for you. And this is for Persephone. Ooh.
Ooh.
More building Legos. Look at this.
Oh, fancy.
This one's a house, and you have muffins and stuff. Very cute.
Oh, what do you got, Persephone? Rather.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at this.
More funny hats.
An owl hat and gloves. Very cute.
And some
socks.
books.
Much needed socks.
Daddy.
Oh, look at these little slipper socks.
Mommy has the scissors, sweetie. She'll have to cut them off.
Look at this. Stephanie. You hitting the dog and tambourine and Thomas and Friends.
Lego loves his present.
Eliza likes Thomas and Friends too. Look at this. Very cute. Thank you, Aunt Lori, Uncle Vasily, and Yaya Papu. There's some more areas from them. Let's do Aunt Timmy and Uncle Blake.
Alright.
This is to
Oh. Not something to throw in the air, sweetie. Oh.
here's another present. It's from Aunt Lori.
That'll cheer you up. No more throwing the blocks in the air.
Okay, Persephone, this is from Aunt Dimmy.
Hey, Eliza, turn around towards the camera so I can see your pretty face.
Wow, look at that game.
Ooh, big chutes and ladders.
Very
Chutes and ladders.
Nice. Merry Christmas.
Oh, hi, Eliza.
Well, let's see what Persephone has.
Oh.
Oh, a little
Eliza, we can play Chutes and Ladders later
Dancing.
today. Right? Play Chutes and Ladders, Eliza?
That's a good one.
That's a
good
fun game.
to play. And here's another gift, Eliza.
Oh, you give it kisses, Persephone?
Here's from Anthony and Uncle Blake.
Mwah. Oh, there's another present. Mmm. It's for you. What we got there? Oh. Dance Dance Revolution.
Oh. Oh
Revolution.
my
Oh,
goodness.
fancy.
You know what you do? You plug this into the TV and you dance like the people on TV. It's a fun game. That's a good one. This is for you. Oh, this one is for Persephone from Aunt Lori and Uncle Soul. Thank you, Anthony and Aunt. Anthony and Uncle
Go.
Soul. Here, Persephone.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, poor Lego. Lego. You okay? Oh. Mwah.
I was giving a kiss.
You giving doggy kiss? Mwah.
Look at this bead maze. I can't get it open right now. That's from Aunt Lori and Uncle Soul.
There, Lego.
Sure, let's take a break from the camera though. But thank you, Aunt Lori.
Okay, everyone wave to the camera, Eliza.
Say Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Aunt Dimmy, Uncle Blake, Yaya and Papu, thank you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Here, Persephone, you want to blow a kiss? Mwah.
There you
Oh,
go.
okay.
Alright. Lego, do you want to blow a kiss?
Mwah.
Mwah.